SpotMe limits on apps like Chime and Varo are not fixed for everyone and usually depend on direct deposit history, account activity, and how consistently you use the account over time. By the end of this, you'll know how SpotMe-style overdraft limits are calculated, which app tends to offer higher limits, and what actually increases your available buffer. Start with Chime. Chime's SpotMe feature allows eligible users to overdraw their account within a set limit without fees, based mainly on recurring direct deposits and account activity. The limit starts small and increases as your direct deposits stay consistent over time. Now look at Varo. Varo offers a similar overdraft-style feature called Varo Advance and eligibility-based overdraft protection depending on account usage and direct deposit patterns. Like Chime, the available buffer is tied to how stable your income looks in the system. Next, compare how limits are set. Both apps use automated systems that track your direct deposit history, rather than letting you manually request a higher limit. The more consistent your deposits, the more likely your limit increases over time. Now, check deposit requirements. Chime usually requires qualifying direct deposits to unlock and maintain SpotMe access. Varo also relies heavily on direct deposit activity to determine eligibility for its overdraft features. Next, look at account behavior. Both systems monitor spending patterns, balance stability, and how often you stay near zero. Accounts that frequently overdraft or show unstable balances may not see limit increases. Now consider usage time. New users on both apps typically start with lower or limited overdraft access until enough activity data is collected. Longer account history usually leads to higher limits on both platforms. Next, check repayment behavior. Even though SpotMe-style features don't work like traditional loans, responsible account usage still affects future increases. Now compare flexibility. Chime's SpotMe is widely known for gradually increasing limits based on direct deposit consistency. Varo's limits can also grow, but eligibility is often evaluated more strictly based on account qualification rules. Next, look at ecosystem strength. Chime has a larger user base using SpotMe regularly, which means more users report gradual limit increases over time. Varo is more selective in how it expands overdraft access depending on account profile strength. Neither app publishes guaranteed limit amounts, and both rely entirely on internal scoring systems. To sum it up, Chime generally offers more consistent and widely available SpotMe increases, while Varo is more selective and depends heavily on account eligibility and deposit behavior. Next, if you want a higher limit, focus on setting up steady direct deposits and avoiding inconsistent balance patterns. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more banking comparisons, overdraft tips, and financial app breakdowns.